Loading media and ribbon in the ZT411 printers. Open the media door. Open the print head. Slide the media guide out. Slide the media supply guide out. Place the roll of media on the media supply hanger and push the roll back. Feed the media under the dancer assembly, through the media sensor, and under the print head. Slide the media guide in. Place the ribbon on the ribbon supply spindle and push it back. Bring the ribbon under the print head and wrap it around the ribbon take-up spindle. Turn the spindle to remove any ribbon slack. Close the print head. Press pause to enable printing. Close the media door.